Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So we're going to show you how to change your Shang-Chi ambassador watch. If you got a Shang-Chi watch, it came with this red band, but the original band was delayed in shipment and it is here now. So we're going to show you how to put on the correct band. So all you want to do is flip the watch over and you see that spring rod that's connecting the band. All you want to do is push that back. That releases the band and will allow you to put on the correct band from the Shang-Chi one. So you just push the spring rod back, line the pins into the hole. Once it's both in, you'll hear a little small snap just like that. And that's how you know it is locked in. Okay, let's do the other side too as well. So again, spring rod, push back, it releases the band. Same thing, same process. You want to repeat it. Push the spring rod back, make sure the pins are lined up in the holes in the ambassador. Once that snaps back in just like that, you see that spring rod, how that is now back. That's it. And just like that, guys, you're ready to rock your Shang-Chi ambassador with the correct band.